We're gonna make a green smoothie. Smoothies are so good, especially when they are green. And normally I just put just 1 cup of fruits. Yes, that's dadas. And the rest is vegetables. Baby kale, spinach, and some other thing. Like, yes, Zoe love. So I'm going to put at least 1 cup of fruit. I soak this apple in apple cider vinegar and baking soda to get out all the wax, so you can eat the skin. You know, they be spraying wax on these fruits to keep them fresh for longer. So it's good to use a solution to get it out. So maybe because I want to have smoothie for like the whole day, I may have 2 cups of fruit, but if it's for just 1 serving, so I'm going to put some strawberries. So all the berries, well, blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries, they are alkaline forming foods, so it's very good for us. Cranberry, I just learned, is not so good. So we are eating up the berries. I'm not going to put, and that's enough. All these is from Costco. I'm looking forward to when I can grow my own fruits in my backyard. Wow, this is really tiny. I like to put ginger in my smoothie, you guys. Ginger is good, especially in this season with the bird flu and the flu coming back. Ginger helps the immune system as well. And also this seed is also very good. Chia seed. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, Zoe love. Huh? Is that you? Is that you? Are you sure? And then this is the best deal. Raw as can be. Is that you? No, that's not you. That's not Zoe. Oopsie, made a mess. I'm just gonna put water in here. Is that you? No, that's not you, baby. That's not you, baby. Yeah, you like babies, right? So I'm just gonna eyeball and put some of these seeds. Yeah, these seeds are so good. They help regulate our bowel system. I think I'm gonna add some more A little bit of kale. A little bit more kale. This one is not baby kale, but this one is baby kale. So just add a little bit. And then I'm gonna add my ginger. I like ginger. Ginger is good. So I'm just peeling the ginger. I've peeled it almost all. Uh-oh. I'm gonna give it a little wash. And then I'm gonna chop it. Chop, 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 chop. Put it in my mix. Uh-oh. One fell down. I'm gonna put about 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. Just getting water. Just getting some water. Just getting some water. Do I feel like I'm missing something? But there it goes. So this blueberry apparently takes over the green smoothie. So we're not going to call it green smoothie today. Yes, I needed the berries. So today is more than a green smoothie because it has the blueberries and the strawberries that has taken over my greenness, but that's okay. Strawberries and blueberries are very, very, very good for you. So I'm going to do half without protein and then the other half with protein. So let me get my protein. So this is the protein I use for now. Why is it upside down? Okay. This is the protein I'll be using for now. We found one that's only made in the UK that is like way perfect than what we have here with no lead and all the bad stuff. So we're gonna order that, but for now this is what we're using. So I'm gonna take some out, half of it, and then put some protein because I like some without protein, some with protein. So I can have the protein one this morning, and then by evening, I take another. And my baby girl Zoe, she likes smoothies too. Don't you, Zoe? She's looking at me like. So let's pour some of it. Half of it Let me first give this a try. A try. So good. If we had banana, it could need banana, but this is healthy. Is that Jordan? I'm gonna put 1 scoop of protein. Huh? Is that baby? Is that baby, Zoe? That's not baby. And so that's how I make my healthy smoothies in the morning. Keeps me full, taking my proteins, fiber. We gotta keep healthy, especially when you've reached 40. You gotta watch your health and make sure you're eating the right things so you can be healthy and live long. And not just live, but be healthy. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning this, please like, share, subscribe for more inspiring videos that I'm gonna make, because I'm just gonna get better and better. Thank you. Bye-bye.